I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours. Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind, 'cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall, trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did, and drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed up all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other. We always had each other. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. Living on the edge, we were living on the edge. We didn't care about the rest, care about the rest. I thought that it would last forever, 'cause with you everything was better. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the breath
What a day, what a day, what a day.
So this brings me to the end of this beautiful shift. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I could go home. Oof. My feet are sore from these shoes.
never trip and fall.
It is so, gosh. Like, whew, I need a new shoes. I gotta call these people on Monday to get a new shoes. So Amazon do give us a voucher, and we get the how you call them, Zappo, yeah. So they gave us $110 voucher, and we guess that I know after every how many months. But like, I have been so bad using my voucher. Last year, I guess I used it once. That's why my shoes, because I think we change the shoes every 3 months. That's why my shoes are paining me like that, because I ain't changed it for I don't know how many months. I gotta go. I'm so tired.
We learn to make love.